In this video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the Casio SE-S3000 cash register. First thing to do is to remove the batteries, turn the PGM key to the off position and disconnect the machine from the power. Once you've done these three things, press and hold down journal feed and then power the machine back on. It'll come up on the display and say BT init. At this point you enter the following code 13040 and then press subtotal twice. The machine will then come to a main initialization screen and you need to re-enter the code 13040. This time you press subtotal and then the cash amount 10 button. The machine will take about 45 to 60 seconds to perform the initialization or the factory reset, and this will wipe the machine back to how it was out the box. It'll remember the date if the date's been programmed and the time, but when we've done the initialization I'll show you that the Z report is all zeroed and any previous sales are gone and any previous programming is gone. You don't need to do anything else, you basically just wait for the machine to initialize and then we'll show you it all blank. The initialization is only to be performed as a last resort, so if you've got an unresolvable error with the machine or you're looking to start again from scratch. Okay, when the initialization is completed you get a report printout which is basically saying the boot version and the initialization code. So if we now turn the key round to the reg position, it'll come up with a low battery warning, and then if we pop a sale through we can see that we've got the default Casio header and then the default programming text. And if we run a quick Z report, you should see that the only sale on there is that £1 I've just put through Department 1. Turn that off now. So there we go. There's the £1 sale I put through, and you can see that is also on the report, but nothing else. Everything else has been cleared down. Okay, for more hints and tips and tricks on using your Casio cash registers, please subscribe to Casio Help or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.